Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important free paraphrasing tool and a grammar checker tool. So we have discussed about many paraphrasing tools. Among them Quillbot is one of the important tool. So if many of them using the same paraphrasing tool, it will again tend to plagiarism problems. And so you have to at least know at least 5 or 6 paraphrasing tools, thereby you can change and reduce the plagiarism very easily. So this is one of the important tool that you can use for your research paper preparation, that is called improve the quality of research paper by reducing the plagiarism. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important options available in this particular tool. Here you can see this is the software Ginger. So it is a free checker and a Paraphraser. So it is a powerful and effortless desktop and mobile solution for improving your writing and productivity. So I am going to click here. So you can add your extension also. So this is the dashboard you will be getting. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a particular paragraph. So this is the paragraph I am going to copy. So copy that paragraph. So and you can paste in that dashboard. So here you can see first option I am going to give is rephrase the sentence. So rephrase your text sentence by sentence shortcut. You can give Ctrl R also. So I am going to give replace. It will take several seconds to rephrase. Here you can see this is the first sentence we have checked. So for that, so just I have clicked this one. So here for that first sentence it is checked. So again it is rephrased for this point, that is this sentence. It is separated into 3 sentences. This has led to a shift in global energy spending in favor of greener options like renewable energy. So like that 4 different options of the particular same sentence is paraphrased. So that is rephrased using this tool. So and also click done. Again clicking rephrase. So again it will paraphrase the sentence, rephrase the sentence. So this is the important option regarding replace, which is available in this Ginger tool. So next one we will see the grammar check. So it is very special for grammar check. So let us see how it will check for grammar. So you can update your Word document also. Here you can check Word document. So you can click here and you can update your Word document also. So here I have copy and pasted the same sentence. So and I am going to click correct. So let us see how it will generate. So here you can see no mistakes are detected. So like that it will generate. So if it is correct, then there will be no mistakes in this particular sentence. It will see no mistakes detected. So let us see what are the different grammar rules available in this particular tool. So see all grammar rules. So you can see forming adjectives. So like that verbs and nouns. So how it will be formed like that: conjunctions, pronouns, adverbs, next prepositions, commas. So here this is a features. You can see grammar checker, sentence rephraser, translation, punctuation checker, spell checker, burst trainer, essay checker. So like that these are the different options available in this tool. So you can make use of this. So this is grammar checking is a very important prime objective of this tool. So here the explanation of the particular grammar check also will be giving. So what are the grammar rules it uses to follow. So according to the grammar rule it will rearrange the sentence. Let us check again with entering another paragraph. So just a minute. So I am going to copy and paste a particular sentence. Here we will check that. So copy and paste, then give correct. So here you can see there is a grammar mistake of by, so it is replaced. It's a wrong proposition, so wrong preposition, so it is replaced by the word by. So thereby you will be reducing this kind of grammar errors using this tool. So thereby you can improve the quality of writing in writing your research paper. Thereby it will very easy for the authors to get nice comments from the journals. So some of the journals will support the contents of your paper, and they will tell change the language of the paper, like that they will give the comments. So in order to change the language of that particular thing, what you have to do is you can copy and paste the own sentence you have written in your research paper, and you can copy here and you can go for a grammar check, and you can replace the terms, that is the grammatical terms, verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, like that you can change, and then you can add in your research paper to change the language, and you can answer the reviewer that I have changed it grammatically, like that you can say. So thereby it will one of the important tool where you can change grammatically and improve your quality of your research paper. So these are the important options available in this grammar check. So it is also as pricing, it actually it is a free for particular checks, that is for limited checks. So here you can see for 2 years 188 per month, next annual 242 month. So when compared with other tools, it is a cheaper tool only. So thereby if you are in need to use this continuously, you can make use of this option to buy this Ginger. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So you can improve the quality of your research paper and language of your writing. So that is very, very important, because the researchers are from different countries. They need particular grammatically correct sentence to be checked. So you can use these options to improve the quality of your research paper. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So you can see the another options also. I am sorry, I am forget to tell it. This is a phrase of the day. So like that, some of the important tips are also available in this Ginger. So make use of it. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.